Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a stuffed courgette gratin, and this one is one of my favorites. It's also another childhood favorite. I ate it a lot as a child, and I still eat it right now. It's an all-time favorite, so it's very easy and simple, and I'll show you guys. So to make the stuffed courgette gratin, we're going to need 4 courgettes cut in half. 60 grams of Parmesan cheese. We're going to use about 50 like inside, like stuffing the courgettes, and then 10 grams like, or the remainder like when we sprinkle it on top for it to bake. 100 grams of crème fraîche. We need a thick one. 2 eggs. 60 grams of breadcrumbs. We have this brand and it's the spicy one. You can use any one you like. Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese. We didn't measure it. We're just going to sprinkle it on top for the gratin, and 2 tablespoons of parsley, a pinch of nutmeg, and salt, and half a teaspoon of white pepper. So your first step is to take a pot and put in it some water and some salt, and we're going to add a bay leaf now, and we're going to put our courgettes in. So we're just going to let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes, but like make sure that like they are still like hard enough for us to stuff. We don't want them to be like too cooked, otherwise they could get mushy. So after it has cooked, we're going to let it cool down for a little bit so it's easier to like work with it, and we're just going to remove the insides. We're going to keep them because that's going to be part of our stuffing. So after we removed the pulp or whatever was inside the courgettes, this is what they look like. So now we're going to work on our mixture for stuffing. So we have here our courgette pulp. We're going to add in our eggs, our crème fraîche, and our Parmesan cheese, but not all of it. We still need some. And some of our parsley. We're leaving some to garnish, and we're going to mix this really well. And we're going to add in our spices, as well as some nutmeg. And lastly, we're going to add in our breadcrumbs. And we're going to mix it with our hands, because if you use a spoon or a whisk or something like that, you're just like, it's not going to be as smooth. We need it to be very smooth. So we've mixed our mixture, and this is what it looks like. Now we preheat our oven to 180-190 degrees Celsius, and we grease our baking tray. So now we just start filling in our courgette with some of the filling. So we filled our courgettes with the filling. Now we just sprinkle on top of it some Parmesan and mozzarella. So we've finished sprinkling our cheese on top. Now we're just going to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes, or until like the top is golden brown. So now we bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. So this is what they look like after we took them out of the oven. As you can see, they have formed this very nice, crunchy, golden brown crust on top because the cheese has melted. And we've garnished it with some parsley just to serve, so like for a pop of color. Try one. The cheese has created this very nice like crispiness, and then like you get the spice from the breadcrumbs, which has released a perfect flavor. So I would highly recommend that you guys try this for like dinner, appetizer, side dish, anything really. Like it's really nice. This concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you guys can support me to make more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.